First of all, तहे दिल से आप सबको शुक्रिया for taking out your time from your busy schedule, from your portfolios, from your SIP trackers, and from the market needs to be here today. I'm really so happy from my bottom of the heart. Session की जाने के पहले, before we get to the official session, I just wanted to put a few interesting lines. कभी inflation, कभी rate hike का गम, कभी वॉर का डर, कभी डॉलर का दम, मगर जो रखते पेशेंस का हथियार, मगर जो रखते पेशेंस का हथियार, वही बना लेता है अपना फाइनेंशियल इतिहास बेमिसाल। So let me tell you one thing before we start. आप में से कितने लोग रात को सोते तो हैं कि सुबह वेट करते हैं सुबह 9 बजे and you want your portfolio to be in हरा भरा? You don't want to. I mean, there are hands to there. Please be also आप लोग भी अपने हाथ से कर सकते हैं. Be honest here, right? तो हम सोते तो है रात को लेकिन हमेशा सुबह 9 बजे का इंतजार रहता है और हम चाहते हैं कि हमारा पोर्टफोलियो हरा भरा रहे. We don't want to see red, right? Let's be honest. When most people hear the word investment, they think of tax saving, boring investment, IPO का बस यही सारे बस हमारे दिमाग में आते हैं, right? लेकिन at Wilson we really do different things. We also have a track on the interest rules. We actually see this before the headlines. When others are really doing Netflix binging, we actually read the factions. Because it's not about a habit, it's actually about a mindset. हम उस जनरेशन की बात करें, we are just talking about that generation where actually we just don't want to create wealth creation. We really want to take a pause, we really want to take an informed decision, and we really want to have a clarity as well. We have so many tools at our hand at our disposal. कई सारे apps हैं, कई सारे trackers हैं, बहुत सारा research है, but still we think, we take a pause, and then we take a decision and we move on. Before we again move on, you can see some black cards जहाँ पे yes or no लिखा हुआ है. Yes or no, right? As a team, you can have some conscious interaction with showing yes or no when I am putting a question to the audience. Simple question है, just before I wanted to set the context, main session में जाने के पहले. Debt mutual fund can also have credit and interest rate risk. Is it so? Yes or no? Quick, because the speaker is also waiting. Who said no? It does have. Because interest rate only doesn't affect the FD, it also affects the debt mutual funds as well. A high P ratio always means the stock is overvalued. Come on, there are a lot of stock people sitting here. Exactly. Because it only shows the growth expectation and you cannot consider P in isolation. You have to consider other factors as well. Markets always behave rationally based on economic data. Is it only economic data? No, again, because there are a lot of factors. Aapka behavior, aapki psychology, belief system, there are a lot of other factors as well. Quick, fear and greed are the two major drivers of short-term market. Table is sitting in the back also, please, we just having really interesting session waiting for us. I am not now totally just because of yes only I know. Confidence is not showing any. It is very simple and clear and we are the only emotions. Bull market often begin when investor sentiment is negative. I think please मेहनत किया placard बनाया. You can use yes or no also please. No, it is actually yes. क्योंकि market always have the reverse gear.